Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video, and today's video is so exciting because in this video you will learn how you can make money $1,000 per day to $2,000 per day over and over again using nothing but Google and free websites. And as usual, this can be done from anywhere on the planet. You can do it. You can make money without technical knowledge, without experience, even without a website. And as usual, my premium softwares will be 100% free for you to make sure you will be able to scale up your income. So, you ready for this? Let us begin. It's so exciting. But before that, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And those videos will also come with bonuses, tips, and my premium softwares free for you. Don't forget to hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way you even help others, just like we are doing it, learn how to make money online. You will look super cool in front of them, they will follow you, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next video. So let us begin. Before we begin, I want to give you a quick tip that I learned from my around 10 years of running a 7-figure software company. The secret to success online is not doing a lot of things. The secret to success online and being able to make reliable and consistent income online is to do one thing for a long time, which is pretty boring, pretty awesome, and pretty easy. Because once you do one thing for a long time, you become an expert, you become fast, and the task, whatever it is, becomes easy for you. And soon you feel that, okay, now it's time to build a team of yourself. Not only you will earn yourself, but also you will get others to work for you, and they will get paid by their own work. You will not pay from your pocket. And this way you build a team, and soon when your team becomes strong, you feel that you need a company, and you build a company. And soon you feel you need to scale, you need to make your company bigger. So either you make multiple companies run by multiple teams, or you make the same company bigger and bigger. And soon other investors will see your progress and they will invest their money, and you will get millions of dollars invested in your company, and it becomes a brand company. Now I'm talking the big dream. Let's go back to $1,000 a day, which means around $100 per hour to $200 per hour. And doing it and making this money 100% free the easiest way. So, first of all, I don't understand why a lot of people don't talk about this system. Maybe they just don't want to share, or maybe these informations are already out there. Smart people are doing it, and I know you are smart, so you're going to do it too. Best of the best part, again, you're gonna get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, Payer, WebMoneyZ, AirTM, Perfect Money, a lot of many ways. So let us begin. We're going to use a website called shrinkme.io. What is shrinkme.io? Shrinkme.io is a link shrinker or a link shortening service like Bitly and many other. But they pay a lot of money for sending clicks to their shrunk click links. Once you shrink any URL or a link and share that shrunk link with people, and people click on those links, your links, you get paid. And here we go, the payout rate, which is awesome. Look at this. For Greenland desktop clicks, for 1,000 clicks, you make $22. For mobile, $22. Ireland, $16. Belgium, $7.5. And so on and on. So literally, wherever the clicks are coming from, you make money. Where are you going to get clicks from? Alright, now, other YouTubers will tell you just shrink your link and find forums and then share your link with forums. No, they will ban you for spamming. Don't do that. Here is what you do. You become a great person or a helpful person in front of others. Share helpful information with others. This way, not only they will love to click on your link, but also they will follow you, but also they will share your link with their contacts, their friends and family, and this way you get viral clicks, which makes passive income. So don't just shrink some link and share it all over the internet. It doesn't work that way. First, create a mindset that you're going to do one thing for a long time, not a lot of things for a long time or a lot of things for a short time. You will do one thing for a long time. So you're going to shrink your links and add value to people's life. Do helpful stuff to help others, and you will make money by helping others. Just like we do. We give away our premium softwares that we spend money on building, that we spend money on regular basis on maintaining and customer support, and we are giving away for free. Links are in the description. Why? Because when we give away, we give, and we give, we will get followers. These followers will eventually make us money with or without paying. So whether you pay or you don't spend money on our offers, it doesn't matter, we will still get paid. And from your views, from your likes, from your clicks, we will know what's working for you, what's helping you, and how we can build our business. So whether you buy or not, we will still make money, and that's why we give, and give. We make this contents and we make softwares to give away. That being said, you need a mindset of helping others. So let's begin how you can help others. For helping others, you can use Instagram, you can use Pinterest, and you can use Facebook. So we know that Greenland and Ireland clicks will get you the maximum amount of money. All you need is to find people from Greenland and Ireland, and if you don't find them, find people that you know and look for their problems and solve those problems. Don't solve directly, solve them through either your social media profile. Like example, this is my social media profile. If you go there, you will know exactly what I do, what type of person I am, and a lot of my visitors, my profile visitors, click on this link and buy from me. Wow. Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, now let's get back to the point. So either you build your profile with your content or you build a blog. A blog is full of content, but building blog is a problem because you don't have time for content. I do understand. Link in the description will give you my premium software. It's an auto blogging software. It creates blog completely automatically without you typing a single word. And then another software that is also free that will blast your blog link throughout social media, on Pinterest, on Facebook, on other social media sites. But don't take that path. Instead, take your links, shorten your blog posts with shrinkme.io and go to Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest software will help you get traffic. Now, if you want Greenland, go to Pinterest. Okay, if you want Greenland clicks, make Greenland related blog posts and share on Pinterest. Greenland people will find your website, click on your images on Pinterest, and once they click, you get clicks on your shrinkme.io link and you get paid. Super simple, okay? For Instagram, it's a bit different. You share content, people love your content, and once they love your content, they go back and look at your profile and they will click the link on your profile. Now, this person or this company, whoever it is, they don't have a link in their profile or a bio, but on Instagram, your link should be in the bio. So that link should not really be shrinkme.io, it should be your blog URL. So people will click your blog link, they will visit your blog, they will find links of shrinkme.io throughout your blog, they will click, you will get paid. So now where is Google coming from? Basically, you are getting all the information about Instagram, Pinterest, or any other information on Google. The most interesting, I kept it for now. So if you're still here, you'll get it. Google News. Google News is always hot because there is always brand new, fresh news, right? These websites publish fresh content every single day. Link in the description. My software will help you build contents around fresh, new topic that are currently hot and will get you a lot of attention on social media, on YouTube, and you will get amazing number of clicks on your links. Once you get clicks, you get paid by shrinkme.io. That's how it works. It's pretty simple. Make it simple, keep it simple, and do it for a long time and never stop. Now I told you about an asset. The blog is your asset. This blog will build your subscribers, will build your followers, and will make you a legit person or a company that wants to help others. This attitude, this image will get you more and more followers, traffic, clicks, and clicks equals money for you. All right, go get it. Use my softwares. Link in the description and make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you make money online. We are successful. Our effort is successful if you make money online. So hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. That video will be awesome, unique, and it will come with our premium softwares but free for our YouTube viewers. Share this video with your friends and family. This way you help others learn how to make money online. That's super cool of you. And we will see you in the next video.